Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the new trending TikTok effect called Comic Book Flip. Comic Book Flip effect basically changes you into a comic character and you're featured in an anime scene. To get this effect, first open up your TikTok app. Now tap on search at the top right and search for Comic Book Flip. It should appear under effects and look like this. Tap on it. Browse through how others have created their video using this effect. The trending music with this effect is Take On Me. This should be added to your video once you press try now. If you don't see this effect in your search results, then that means it's still not available for your region. You just need to wait until TikTok releases it in your region. Once you're ready, tap on try this effect. On screen, you'll see your face change into an anime character. It will flip through several pages with you in different scenes. Tap on the screen to change between a male or a female character. For this video trend, first record yourself without the effect for about 5 seconds, then cover the camera with your hands, and then enable the effect, and then that will create a cool transition to this effect. Then record till the end of the 15 seconds video. Once you're happy, go ahead and post it on TikTok. And that is a trending effect on TikTok called Comic Book Flip. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.